Hi there, Barbie lovers! Welcome back to Busy Bee from Germany. I'm Busy Bee from Germany, and today I'd like to reopen the Barbie Cafe again because we have a special guest that needs our help today, and this is our growing hair Francie. She still waits for a restyling so that she looks original again. I dressed her in my strawberry dress today because we have summer now and she just wanted to look fine. So now let's start. So let me show you the hairstyling she has. This is her current hairstyle and that's the original hairstyle the Francie came with. And so I did a little mistake here, but I think we can fix this. This should be an easy and quick fix. So for the repair I got myself some orthodontics and a brush. I put the orthodontics here in case the one that is in the hair will disappear into, I don't know, into the nowhere. And let's put the rubber band out, and I have to separate the hair. So let's see, try some water here, because it could be easier to get the hair in shape when we use a little bit water. It's just plain water in my bottle here. The front is still a bit messy. So I think that's it for today. I don't know if I have to repeat this process for my other one. I repeated the process several times until I got the hairstyling back in its original form, but I'm not sure if this hair is not a little bit longer than hers. I will have to check this and see, but I think that's the best that we can manage today. We have it in a very similar shape. Her ponytail is not working anymore, but that's okay. That's why hers is shorter here, but that's totally fine for me. And I will see what we have when she's dried, when her hair is dried again, and then I can adjust the hairstyle a little bit. My dear viewers, thank you for staying until the end of this video. I hope you like the result that we got here in this little video. Please don't forget to share, like and subscribe. See you very, very soon. Your Busy Bee from Germany. Bye! Hi there, Barbie lovers. Welcome back to Busy Bee from Germany.